We're trying to get yearly sales percentage. So every month we have a salesman and their monthly sales, and we want to get their how much percentage of the year is in that month. So you usually would do this, you just get this number divided by the sum of the entire column. But the issue with this is that we have three different people here, three different salespeople. And so we only really want, this 3% is 3% of the entire sales. We only want to know how much did Andy get percentage-wise in this month of his sum. So we might try to use percent if. This, however, will not get the answer we want. Range A and do Andy. This is not percentage of sales. It's the percentage of appearances of Andy. We don't want that. So how are we going to do this? We'll start by getting this number here. That's very simple. We'll divide it by a filter. And the filter is going to be the range of B. The condition will be that A is equal to whoever's name is here. And we're going to sum this up, sum around the filter. It is odd that it's all the same yearly percentage because these numbers are all the same. So it's 21 for Andy every single month. So we'll change this to 34, Andy 44, we'll change Carl's to 55, and now we have different percentages. That was just a weird anomaly. But this formula is going to be the one that gets you your percentage for certain criteria. There you go. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, subscribe here on YouTube to Better Sheets.